With the name of Allah, Assalamu alaikum students. I am your computer teacher. Now open your books. Chapter number 2, Introduction to Computer. The first calculating device was abacus, which could do only calculations today. Computer is an automatic electronic machine. We can do many different tasks with the help of computer. It is also called a thinking machine. It can do fast and accurate calculations. There are 4 parts of a computer system. Number 1, keyboard, mouse, monitor, system unit, CPU. It is also known as PC. These computers are normally used by one person at a time, and we can move this type of computer from one place to another easily. Today, this is the most common type of personal computer. And it typically includes most Microsoft Windows. Types of personal computer. Computer come in many shapes and sizes. There are 5 main types of personal computer. Tablet computer. Tablet computers are handheld computers that are even more portable than laptops instead of a keyboard. Tablet uses a touch-sensitive screen for typing and navigations. Desktop computers. Desktop can be placed conventionally on the disk. Desktop computers are less expensive with same features as compared to laptops. Laptop computer. They are small and portable. These computers can run on battery. In performance, laptops are equal to desktop computers. Mobile phones. Many mobile phones can perform a lot of functions as computer can do. These phones are often called smartphone. Smart TV. Many TVs now include some features that let you use internet, playing games, watching movies, listening to the audio, just like computers. Laptop. A small computer that fits in your palm is called laptop computer. Laptops are limited, but they are designed for some specific functions. Laptops are also called PDAs, handheld computers, and pocket computers. Uses of computer. Computers help us in solving difficult calculations. A computer is reliable in strong information. We can use computer in education, games, to create text or documents, and painting. We use the internet for searching information, for sending and receiving emails, and to communicate with others. Computer can also be used for entertainment, for example, watching movies, listening to music, and playing games. Doctors and engineers are also computers. We use computers in departmental stores. We use computers in bank and office. Exercises. Filling the blanks and choosing correct word from the box. First, we can do many difficult tasks with the help of dash computer. Personal computer is also known as dash PC. We can dash this type of computer from one place to another easily. Move. Computer is more reliable in storing dash information. Number 5, we also use dash for sending and receiving emails, internet. Second exercise, write down 5 uses of computer. 5 uses of computer. Number 1, we can draw pictures. Number 2, we can calculate. Number 3, we can play games. Number 4, we can watch videos. Number 5, we can send emails. Number 3 exercise, answer the following questions. What is a computer? Question number 1, computer is an electronic device. Answer. Second question, who is the father of computer? Charles Babbage is the father of computer. Question number 3, what is abacus? The first calculating device was abacus. Number 4 question, how many types of personal computer are there? There are 5 main parts of personal computer. Number 5 question, what is a laptop? A small computer that is fit is your plane is called laptop computer. Number D exercise, true false. Computer is also called a thinking machine. False. Personal computer are normally used by 2 persons. False. There are 2 types of personal computer. False. Computers help us in solving difficult calculation. False. Computer help us in solving difficult calculation. This is true, not false. Doctors and engineers do not use computer. False. Circle the correct answer. There are dash part of computer system. 5. Number 2, dash is also called a thinking machine. Robot. Personal computer is also known as PC. We also use computer for all of them. Write the name of the parts of computer. Monitor, mouse, keyboard, CPU. Complete the following puzzle with the help of pictures. हमारे पास पिक्चर्स दी हुई हैं, आपने इसकी मदद से हमने इसको पज़ल को कंप्लीट करना है और यहाँ पे हमें दिया हुआ है, इसको देख के हमें ये करना है. ठीक है, थैंक यू. इंशाल्लाह अगले एक्सरसाइज पे मिलेंगे. अल्लाह हाफ़िज़.